Hello dear students, now we are going to start from the questions and answers of the chapter, that is the fourth chapter. The Happy Prince is the name of the chapter, and you, after the summary, you have to write down this work in your fair notebook. First of all, you will use to write down the word meanings, then the summary of the chapter. After that, you will use to write down the question and answers of the chapter, and then you will start the learning process. Okay, so now start writing the question and answers, and do this work in your fair notebook without being confused. I just have also mentioned here on the board. Okay, do this work in your fair notebook. Thank you students, and you also have to watch this video till the end so that you can do your work very fairly. Okay, so dear students of the fourth chapter, The Happy Prince by Oscar Wilde, this is the first question for you, and write down the question. Why do the courtiers call the prince the happy prince? H and P in capital letter and in single inverted comma. Clear? Also mark down the mark of interrogation here. Is he really happy? Mark of interrogation. What does he see all around him? Mark of interrogation. Clear? Now start writing answer. Because the prince lived luxurious life, he never felt the sorrows and the sufferings of the life, full stop. But now he sees sorrowful and miserable life of people all around him. Okay, now the second question is, why does the happy prince send the ruby for the seamstress? Mark of interrogation. What does the swallow do in the seamstress's house? Now the answer is because the seamstress was tired for overworking, full stop. Her little boy was lying sick, lying, full stop. He had a fever and was asking for an orange. The mother was grieved, GRIEVED, दुखी होना, sad होना, full stop. So, comma, the happy prince sent a ruby for her, full stop. The swallow flew to her with the ruby, full stop. He put it on the table, full stop. Then it flew politely round the bed, BED. Clear? Fanning, FANNING. फैनिंग माने फड़फड़ाते हुए, उसको हवा देते हुए. The boy's forehead with his wings. Clear? Now the third question is, for whom does the prince send the sapphire and why? Spelling of sapphire, SAPPHIRE, sapphires, and why? The answer is, a playwright has to finish a play for the director of the theatre, full stop. But it is also cold and he cannot finish the play, full stop. There is no fire in the garret, GARRET, full stop. He is hungry, he has fainted, बेहोश हो जाना, FAINTED, full stop. The prince sees him, full stop. He sends a sapphire to the young playwright. The swallow flies and give it to him. Okay. Now complete this answer. The second sapphire he gave to the match girl, full stop, so that she cannot be beaten by her father. Clear? Now write down the next fourth question. What does the swallow see when it flies over the city? When swallow flies over the city, comma, it sees the people making merry in their beautiful house, and the beggars sitting at the gates. Clear? Next answer question fifth. Why did the swallow not leave the prince and go to Egypt? The swallow loved the prince. He carried out his orders to help the needy. Full stop. Finally, comma, he grew colder and died there. Next, sixth answer. What are the precious things mentioned in the story? Why are they precious? Why are they precious? The answer is the two precious things mentioned in the story are the swallow and the leaden heart of the happy prince lying on the heap of dust. Full stop. They are precious things as they had done good deeds. Full stop. These things are precious for God. Okay. So with this, this chapter goes to complete. Okay. Do this work in fair notebook. Again, I am asking, if you will watch the videos till the end, you will get all the directions properly. Okay. So do complete your work and learn well. Thank you.